Hey, I'm Shane. This is Wooden Fire Barbecue. Welcome to the channel. Do you like lamb? I like lamb. Let's smoke some lamb.
What you see before you is a 5.5 pound lamb roast, boneless. I picked this up at my local Costco. You want to use some butcher's twine to cinch it up so it will help retain its shape. Just do a double knot and then snip off the excess. The rub we're using today is Fragoni's Asado All-Purpose. It is a coarse ground salt, pepper, and garlic mixture. It's got a bit of a spicy kick straight out of the bottle. You want to thoroughly coat the meat, top, bottom, sides. Don't be scared, you're not going to oversalt it. It's a big cut of meat, it can take it.
We are running temps today, 275 to 300. It's going to be direct heat. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to let this go until I hit roughly 130, 135 degrees. Then I'm going to flip it over. It has been just over 2 hours. We are sitting at 136 degrees. So let's go ahead and flip this sucker over. Oh, it smells good. All this juice dripping down on the coals. Nothing like it. So let's see what we got on the bottom here. All right. I'm liking the look of that. I'm going to let this run until we hit 170 degrees, 165. At that point, right before it starts to render fat and kind of enters the stall, I'm going to stick it in a pan with, as I said, with some onion and some beef stock, and then we're going to let it finish off. So I think it's going to be delicious. All right, so let's go ahead and get this thing in a pan with some beef stock. All right, it's a little pro tip. Heat your beef stock up before you put it in here, because that way it won't slow down the cook. And wrap it up. All right, we're going to 200, 205 degrees.
Taziki. You have seedless cucumber, dill, garlic, lemon, whole fat Greek yogurt, and olive oil. You're going to peel your cucumbers. You're going to shred them up. You want to put them in a bowl, put some salt on them, and this is going to draw out the moisture. You want to wring it out like you're wringing out a rag. Put it into a dry bowl. You're going to add roughly 2 cups of the whole fat yogurt. Don't skimp on this. Do the whole fat. You won't regret it. You're going to take a whisk and you're going to mix it up. You're going to add in your garlic, dill, lemon juice, black pepper, and salt if necessary. It is delicious.
All right, so here is the finished product. This was 5-ish hours on the smoker, and then I brought it in when it hit 205 degrees. I let it rest for roughly 2 hours. So let's see what we got. All right, let's get a bite of this. All right, so let's taste it. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good. The rub, it doesn't have the heat it did when you're straight out of the bottle with it. Got a salty kick to it, and it's also got some garlic, which I really like a lot. So yeah, let's build a pita, the original Hot Pocket. Fresh made tzatziki. And we're going to top it off with some cherry tomatoes. Don't forget to salt your tomatoes. All right, let's get a taste. Oh man, Sorry, I'm making a mess. This is really, really, really good. I took a shot in the dark. This is not something I've made before, but I had it rolling around in my head and I wanted to give it a try. I highly recommend, if it's something you're not used to, step outside your comfort zone and give it a shot. Until next time, get up, go out, cook some good food. Be a little bit better tomorrow than you were today. I'll catch you next time.